Today, I'll walk you through how to add JavaScript code in Elementor, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to embed your JavaScript so you can enhance your website's functionality. Let's get started. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. You can do this by entering your website URL followed by /wp-admin in your browser. Once you're logged in, you should see the Elementor Tutorials dashboard. This is your control center for managing your website. Next, locate the Pages section on the left-hand menu. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all your pages. This is where you can choose which page you want to edit. Now find the page you want to work on and click on Edit with Elementor. This will open the Elementor editor, where you can customize your page visually. Once you're in the Elementor editor, look for the option to add an HTML widget. You can do this by typing HTML in the search bar of the Elementor panel. This widget allows you to insert custom code directly into your page. After dragging the HTML widget onto your page, you'll see a text box appear. This is where you'll type your JavaScript code. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps are still the same. Now type your JavaScript code into the text box. Make sure that your code is correct and free of errors. This is crucial as any mistakes could affect how your page functions. Once you've entered your code, it's time to preview your changes. Click on the Preview button located at the bottom of the Elementor panel. This will open a new tab where you can see how your JavaScript interacts with your page. If everything looks good in the preview, go ahead and click Publish to save your work. This step ensures that your changes go live on your website. And there you have it. You've successfully added JavaScript code in Elementor. This simple process can greatly enhance your website's capabilities and user experience. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.